Hi, my name is Mrs. Ludwig, and I thought I would talk to you for a couple minutes about why I think it's important that you take AP Biology and what to expect in the class if you choose to take it. So the first one is that you will develop skills that can be applied to any course of study that you choose to pursue in the future, whether or not it's science or if it is something like business or law or any other field that you're interested in. You're going to learn some key skills, and those include things like organization and study skills, critical thinking skills, time management skills. All of those things I think are really important, and you will definitely learn those if you take AP Biology. The second thing is that if for prospective science majors, it provides a good foundation for your next level of science. I took a look at the list that we were provided of schools that most Oak Hill students attend when they go to college, and all of those scores give credit for AP Biology if you get a 4 or a higher, and most of them give it if a 3 or higher. If you want to see that list, feel free to stop by my room and check it out. Then if you are interested in physical sciences, so chemistry or physics or something like that, it's going to give you a good opportunity to show how those are applied to living systems, because we talk about all of those things in biology as well. And sometimes you need a life science credit, and you can get that credit out of the way. If you're not interested in pursuing science in college, that's great. I still welcome you to take AP Biology. I think it's a great benefit to you. Almost all schools require science as a required course of some sort. So this can help you get that out of the way, and that way you don't even have to worry about taking science once you get to college. And then last, if you at least maintain some enthusiasm, I think you'll find the course stimulating and fun. We do lots and lots of lab work. We do a lot of inquiry based where you're making up the labs. So I think you'll get a lot out of it and think it's a fun course if you decide to take it. So I know that there's lots of things going out there about why people are concerned about AP Biology, and they've heard things about how hard it is and things like that. So here are the top 4 concerns that I hear about AP Biology. The first one is that it's difficult. And I agree, it is difficult, but anything can be difficult if you don't put in the amount of time and effort that you need in order to complete the task. So although it might be a challenge to you, that doesn't mean it's unbearable. The second one is that the tests are hard. Well, the test corrections are available for all tests in order to help improve your grade, and they are hard because they mirror the actual AP exam. So therefore, you're going to be prepared for the test when you take it in May. You won't have any surprises. You'll know exactly what to expect. And then again, go back to number 1. It can be difficult if you don't put in the minimal effort and time that's necessary. So if you're not studying, yes, the tests are going to be hard. Concern number 3 that I've heard is that AP Biology is a lot of work. And it is a lot of work. It mirrors a college biology science class, so it is a lot of work. But that doesn't mean it's not worthwhile, and it doesn't mean that it's an unbearable amount of work. College Board puts out some information, and they recommend that that you plan that for AP Science courses that you spend about an hour a day or so outside of class. Not all of that will be written work. Some of it will be studying. But that is what College Board recommends, and that's probably a pretty accurate amount of time that you would need to be spending outside of class on AP Biology. And then the last one, AP Science courses are only for the smartest students. I have all kinds of students of all different abilities in my class, and all can be successful when they put forth the time and the effort in order to succeed. It's all dependent upon you. Are you willing to work hard? Are you willing to put forth the effort? Are you willing to learn? We do so many labs. I think the course has been redesigned, and I love the redesign because we spend so much more time in lab, which makes it a lot more fun and a lot more enjoyable. Even when the labs don't necessarily work out the way we want them to, I still think it's a worthwhile adventure. I hope that you decide to take AP Biology. If you have any questions about the course, or if you have any concerns that I didn't list there that you would like me to talk to you about, feel free to stop by room 420 anytime. Thanks.